A few months ago, our shower head broke, and Sean came up with a great way to fix it. For the price of a soda bottle, he rigged it up to the shower head and just poked holes in there, and now we have a brand new shower head.
A brand new shower head? No, you have a Sprite bottle. Okay, I got a little treat for you. And I don't know why I turned Italian there. Wow, okay. This channel is all about having better habits and basically creating a better life for yourself. And on this channel, I've talked a decent amount about money and how to save money. So, with that said, I stumbled upon what I think may be a gem, okay? I found a video called America's Cheapest Family, all right? And what I would like to do today is I would like to watch this video, react to it perhaps, and basically we can decide as a community if what this family is doing, if some of the money saving techniques are good and things that we could also learn from, or if it's all trash, absolute garbage. Okay, so that is what we're doing today. If you have not liked this video yet, you know, I'd really appreciate it if you tap that button down there. It helps out the algorithm a bunch. All right, let's get into the video.
Dishes.
Okay, all right, let's give it a chance. Let's give it a chance.
I can see myself in the plate.
I'm Melanie O'Brien.
And I'm Sean O'Brien.
And we're America's cheapest family.
Making it rain.
In the summertime, when the kids are playing outside in the pool, we
Is this real? Come on. No.
can utilize that afterwards to help clean our dishes. We save money on the water bill. We save money on the electric bill. Are we gonna become millionaires off of it? Not per se, but it's gonna help us to be able to allocate that money towards a better purpose. See, fun and work.
Who wants bacon?
I don't even know what to say about that. Okay. What a way to start the video. Let's keep going.
I do.
Sean and I agreed that if we don't have to buy anything new, then we won't. And we'll make use with what we have. That's our lifestyle, that's our way. Our pots and pans broke, the handles broke off, and instead of going out and buying brand new pots and pans, Sean made this wrench that doubles as a handle.
Oh no! Sean made this wrench that doubles as a handle? What?
And the duct tape protects my hands from burning. All right, kids, bacon's ready.
It's been more than 10 years since Sean and Melanie have made any significant...
That is a hazard. That is a hazard. She's holding onto the end of the wrench by the duct tape? That is a hazard. Dude, what is cheaper? Not getting new pots and pans when the handles break off? Or the medical bills when your wife gets a 3rd-degree burn on her hand because she tried to pick up the pot with a wrench? Whew.
Bacon's ready.
It's been more than 10 years since Sean and Melanie have made any significant improvements to their home. A sacrifice they claim has saved them over $30,000.
This is where we spend most of our time.
You just stop taking care of your house? That's different. That's like just never changing the oil in your car because it saves you money to not change the oil, but it's not gonna last as long. Your house is gonna start falling apart.
I'm in the living room. As you can see, we've got very sparse furniture. Living room furniture can cost up to $10,000, $20,000, depending.
Is this real? Is this real? That is a lawn chair. This looks like, well, it kind of looks like my living room like 2 months ago. This looks like a college boy's dorm room. Okay, my prediction is that the guy in this marriage was like the really cheap one, and this poor lady is just having to follow along. There's no way. There's no way.
You know what kind you're buying. Ours costs maybe 50 bucks. A few months ago, our shower head broke, and Sean came up with a great way to fix it. For the price of a soda bottle, he rigged it up to the shower head and just poked holes in there, and now we have a brand new shower head.
A brand new shower head? No, you have a Sprite bottle.
This kind of is an eyesore, but it works, and I appreciate it.
And I appreciate it. No, this poor lady. Can you imagine the water pressure there? The water pressure there would just be the equivalent of rain. Gravity's just bloop, bloop.
Some people might think our behavior is over the top.
Correct.
Extreme.
Or extreme, but I think it all depends on the person's perspective.
No, we weren't done
For the past several years, the O'Briens have contemplated moving into a larger space. But selling their current home would require them to make renovations they've avoided for the past decade.
Exactly. See, it doesn't pay.
Our realtor is going to come over and give us an assessment and evaluate what we need to do before we actually put our house on the market.
Here's the yard.
Okay.
Watch your step, apparently.
Yeah.
Our fence is a little piecemeal together, so I just replace the boards as they come. Leans a little, but it's sturdy.
Leans a little, but sturdy. If it's leaning, how is it sturdy? Well, okay, I mean, there's a Leaning Tower of Pisa, but that's different.
You're gonna have to repaint the fence.
Yes, yes, realtor boy, get him.
I mean, if not replaced.
Ooh,
It's
how much are we looking to replace?
around 1,800 bucks.
The fence in the backyard is definitely eclectic.
The colors look like a marble cake that you would get at a bakery. It brings character to the neighborhood.
And the kickboard.
It brings character to the neighborhood.
This is our main living room.
Well, number one, no furniture. This won't work. You've got to stage this room.
Stage how?
Well, a beanbag, an ottoman. I mean, you've got to have furniture here.
I've seen houses online that don't have any furniture.
But those are new.
Not always.
The majority of them are new.
Ooh, this guy's not having it. Woo!
Well, I'll tell you this, too. I mean, none of these homes that are selling has carpet like this. The stains, the burn marks.
Ew.
I honestly don't feel like a buyer would even put an offer in with carpet like this.
Okay.
I mean, that's got to be changed.
We would love to replace the carpet.
Wait a minute. I could be wrong. America's Cheapest Family, and I don't know when this video is filmed, but they have like a decent car, like a nice Volvo. Volvos are not cheap. I don't know. Seems a little fishy.
In something like this piece of carpet here, we'd probably be looking at about a $4,000 budget.
What literally is the cheapest?
What literally is the cheapest? This poor carpet salesman, I don't know if that's what they're called, but this poor guy selling carpet.
We could get into some carpet in this range here, so a little more cost-effective system, and we would be looking at a budget closer to around $1,800 to $2,000.
I mean, all right, so what I'm really just kind of looking for, let's say I just want to do sections. You know, a burnt stain here, maybe some wax on the floor there type of thing.
Some red wine there.
Yeah. Is it unheard of to patch up carpet? I mean,
I
is
gotta
it
tell
unheard
you,
of?
it really is unheard of. I've never heard such thing.
I've never heard such thing. If you're a carpet salesman guy, if he reacts like that when you pitch your idea, just get new carpet. He knows what he's doing, okay? You don't. All right, let's continue.
I definitely don't want it to be horrific, but is there a way to get something like this?
Literally that?
Yeah.
Size and that?
Yeah, maybe about 10 would be good.
Oh, this dude's carpet's gonna look like plaid. Just different splotches of different, oh man.
Sure, that would definitely be a first. We can take a look.
Okay.
Let's take a look and see what we can work out, sure. You know, we've seen all types of customers over the years in our business. I've never had anyone ask me for samples.
What do you think on us purchase this?
Guys, I don't know. How about,
How about 20?
we'll do $20.
Okay. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right.
Do you have a bag we could put it in?
And she followed that up with, do you have a bag? We can put it in. After they just gypped this man of all of his white carpet samples. Wow, okay.
With the help of their neighbor, they're hoping to stage the area for free.
No. We had a quick favor we wanted to ask of you. Could we borrow your furniture for the open house?
You know how our living room looks now. And you're so close by, and you've got such great furniture. We'd just really love to use yours, if you don't mind.
Okay, like what are you thinking?
Yeah, I was thinking the couch.
No! You don't do this to your neighbors. This is how you get voted Worst Neighbor of the Year award. You walk over and ask, can I borrow your couch so I can sell my house because I can't take care of my own stuff? Oh, this is terrible.
Oh, I'm trusting in you.
Thank you.
Okay, oh my God, Mark's gonna kill me.
You got it.
Oh, Marty.
No more to your left.
Rather than hire professionals to replace their entire carpet, Sean taxed down their $2 samples himself.
All right. Honey!
Well, it looks pretty much even, but the carpet is totally different color. I mean,
big job. I think it's
you did a great job, but it just doesn't match. Honey, is this straight?
Yes.
What is that photo? Is that a photo frame with wrapping paper shreds? No. You can't tell me that they're so cheap they don't even have real photos. Just wrapping paper and picture frames? No, this cannot be real.
To avoid the realtor fees, Sean and Melanie placed an ad online and are attempting to host the
To avoid the realtor fees.
When we first walked in, I noticed little details. The carpet was pat.
That looks so bad. So bad. Not even from a selling standpoint, from a living conditions standpoint. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, like a quilt.
Different types, like a quilt. Different types, like a...
Like a quilt. My guy, David Turris, he knows what he's talking about. Got that quilting carpet style, okay? Which nobody does.
I think the happiness lasts longer when you know that you've really tried to save and spend your money well in a quality way.
We appreciate what
When you try to save and spend your money well in a quality way. What are you talking about? The place that you are going to raise your kids, the house that you're in, that's not a quality way to spend your money? People have said that real estate is one of the best investments you can make. Where is their money going? It's going to their Volvo. That's it. It's going to their Volvo.
The newer something is, the quicker it gets old.
It's true.
The newer something is, the quicker it gets old. This guy. Profound. Okay. All right. Was any of that real? The life? Oh my gosh. All right, guys. All right, so in the beginning I said we were gonna review and see if there's any habits or, cool little money-saving tips that we can extract from this video and apply to our own lives. Nothing. Do not take any habits from that video. There are better ways to save money. You can make your coffee at home. You can stop buying bottled water and you can just get a bottle of water. There are just so many ways you can save money before you put a 2-liter on your shower. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Leave a comment for the algorithm, and I'll see you guys next time.